farming sustainability. Now, for the last 5 years, the word is the sustainability is very important. Every company they are adopting the word sustainable development. By the way, sustainable development is also possible to you if you just adopt the entrepreneurship as a career option. Understand? So that is why I don't know after this class how many of you come out with the motivation, sir, I would start a own business. I will tell what are the different business. For example, you can set up a bakery business. You can learn how to prepare the items and you can set up a bakery business. Or you can set up a kind of mission that chilies some government will give the loans on that. So మంచి మిషన్స్ తీసుకొచ్చి కారపూడ కొట్టడం లేకుంటే ఇడ్లీకి సంబంధించిన ఈవెన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇడ్లీ పిండి తయారు చేయడం, దోశ పిండి తయారు చేయడం, సప్లై టు ద సమ్ మల్టీనేషనల్ కంపెనీస్ లైక్ DMart, సప్లై టు ద సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్